So I've seen this trend going around on TikTok where people try to draw a cat with this filter. So I'm gonna try to do it with my hook. Now to show you that I can at least draw a cat, I'm gonna do that first and then try it with the filter. Perfect.
All right, let's do this. We're gonna start off with a body. Oh, geez. What is happening here? This is knocking farts. Okay, now we need a head. I had it wrong freaking way. What is that? It's not even a cat. Looks like a messed up zucchini. All right, put some ears on it. This is hard. Okay, let's add some legs. Oh, come on, no, wrong way. Add some legs. I just want to add some legs to my freaking cat. You know what you call a cat with no legs? Doesn't matter what you call it, because it ain't gonna come. Okay, gotta add some eyes. And then nose. And then a mouth. Isn't it the cutest kangaroo you've ever seen?